How to use DeepSeek AI for free. First, open the Google Play Store and install the DeepSeek AI app. If you already have it installed, simply open the app. You can also use chat.deepseek.com in your mobile browser. Next, sign in to your DeepSeek account. If you don't have an account yet, tap Sign Up and create one using your email or another available sign-in option. Once you're logged in, tap the message box at the bottom of the screen and type your question or request. For example, you can ask DeepSeek to write an email, summarize a document, explain a topic, solve a math problem, or help you write code. Tap the Send button and wait a few seconds while DeepSeek generates a response. If you want a better answer, ask a follow-up question or provide more details in your prompt. You can continue chatting, generate ideas, generate translations, or create content using the free features available in your account. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use DeepSeek AI for free. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, Android tips, and easy tech guides.